Hello guys, Blazer Blast here. So today I'm gonna tell you guys how to fix that annoying clicking sound. So what you're hearing right now is the Rode Videomic Go, and I'm not sure, but I don't think it's making that clicking noise. So I actually found a way how to stop the clicking noise from happening. As you guys may know, the clicking noise is made from frequencies like your laptop, Wi-Fi routers, Bluetooth, stuff like that. Like everything, and it sucks so much. But I think I found a way on how to fix it. So I was on tech support and telling the tech support people, hey, my microphone's not working, it's making this really annoying clicking noise, can I get a replacement? They said, no, that's kind of just what the microphone does because it doesn't have any metal in its, it doesn't have any metal in it, and it only has a plastic body. So frequencies easily get through it. So I'm just like, what does that even mean? So I did a really quick Google search on how to stop frequencies to interfering, and lo and behold, metal, right? Metal is how you do it. So I'm just like, how am I supposed to get metal into this plastic frame? Like, what am I supposed to do? And I came up with this little cheap solution that everyone has, See, it's kind of around it. It's just aluminum foil. And I searched up, because I searched up EMI, and it's called electromagnetic interference. And it's like a solution on how to stop electromagnetic waves from interfering with your things. So I looked it up and I was just like, okay. And then I kind of did a little more research on what metals does and does not work. And then one of them was like an aluminum mesh kind of thing. And I was like, wait, aluminum? So does that mean aluminum foil works? And then I looked that up and lo and behold, it works. So here it goes. I'm going to give you one run through and show you guys if this works. I'm gonna go 6 points in my apartment because it's an apartment, so there's a lot of Wi-Fi frequencies around me, and I'm gonna give you 6 points. The first point will be right here in the kitchen. I know it clicks here, so right by this window right here. The second point will be in this doorway. The third point will be in this front of this door. The fourth will be in this chair. The fifth will be on the couch right here, and the sixth point will be right here on the couch also, but this is way closer. Oh, and the seventh point will be right here in front of the Wi-Fi. See that? And I know it acted up really badly. It's not a permanent solution, but it definitely reduces the noise or the clicking that you get. So I'm gonna take the mesh off right now, and then I'm gonna give 5 seconds in between each so you can hear the difference of each of them. So here we go. Okay, so hopefully you guys heard the difference. I want to hear the difference because, like, I tried this and metal really does work. So if you guys find any better method, please put it in the comments down below because I know this is such a big deal. I looked all online and nobody had a really good solution to it. Okay, I know the quality's a tad bit worse, the audio quality is a tad bit worse, but I'm gonna show you how I put the aluminum foil on, because I totally forgot to do that, sorry guys. Yeah, but here we go. Okay, what I have here are 3 aluminum pieces, 2 fairly slim one, and then a very long one. This one's about the size of a wallet, and these ones are like about the size of your finger. Like, yeah, just a little bit. It doesn't have to be exact, you know, you guys could do whatever. But basically what I did was I had this and I kind of made it into a U shape so it could slide through here. And with some testing, I kind of found out that it doesn't matter if it touches this part, the foam, it honestly needs to touch the red stuff. Like, I don't know why, because at the beginning I thought it would be the microphone that needs to. So I wrapped it along the microphone without this metal. I did this. I wrapped it around this black thing like this, and it still had the clicking. But it needs to go along the red frame, which I thought was really interesting. So you just put it along here. There we go, and then push it down a little, like push it down so the bottom contacts with this part right here. So I just push it down like this. And then push it towards the sides. After you're done with that, get the little rectangles that you have, and then I just kind of secure it in one of these sides. Just put it on the side, and then I just fold it around. So there you go, it's folded around, so now it's kind of like secured by that. And then do the other side. Then fold this around. Boom, done. That's it. It's that easy. That easy. Let me plug this back in. One downside with this method of putting aluminum on it is that if you move the frame a lot, the aluminum foil will hit against the microphone, so it'll make like a really weird noise. I don't know if you heard that, but it makes that noise right there. And usually it doesn't do that, but since the aluminum foil is there and making contact, that's what happens. Hope you guys enjoyed, and hope that was helpful. So, yeah, thank you guys for watching. Make sure you guys always have a blast.